The X100V is indeed king of the fixed lens compacts with great lens and image quality. Fujifilm recently issued the X100V Continuous Use Notice. The manufacturer acknowledged that the camera with a non-replaceable lens, introduced in early February, may overheat. According to the manufacturer, overheating is possible when the X100V is used continuously or when the camera is used in high temperature or direct sunlight. The user may feel that the handle is noticeably heated due to heat generation inside the camera. Heating does not impair the operation of the camera, but when a certain temperature is reached, the camera turns off. When the camera temperature rises, a yellow warning icon is displayed. If the temperature continues to rise, a red warning icon appears. Soon after, the camera automatically turns off. In this situation, the manufacturer recommends allowing the camera to cool before further use. According to new information, the manufacturer suspended sales, sending a corresponding order to sellers. All ready-made orders are not executed if the serial number of the camera at the outlet falls within the range specified by the manufacturer.